So over 100 teachers have been through my strategic classroom workshop series. And I'm not going to tell you what they learned. I'm going to let them tell you because the results honestly say it better than I ever could. Stay with me for the next few minutes. If you're a teacher who's feeling frustrated, exhausted, or like you're running out of ideas for your classroom, this video is going to feel like a breath of fresh air. Before we dive in, if you're new here, welcome. I make videos for K-12 teachers who want practical, real-world strategies that actually work in the classroom. Hit subscribe so you don't miss any of it. And if this video helps you, tap the like button. It generally helps more teachers find this content. Let's look at this testimonial from a secondary teacher in Arkansas. And she went from frustrated to feeling in control. She says, I had been teaching for 6 years and I was seriously considering leaving. Every day felt like a battle. I tried everything I could find online, behavior charts, class dojos, reward systems, and nothing lasted more than 2 weeks. After going through the strategic classroom, I finally understood why nothing was working. I wasn't missing tools, I was missing a system. By week 3 of the implementing what I had learned, my students were actually running our morning routine without me even prompting them to do it. I cried in my car in the way home, not from stress, but from relief. So 6 years of teaching, one system, that's what it took to change everything. And what she described, that feeling of trying everything and nothing sticking, that is the most common thing I hear from teachers before they go through this program. Now take a listen to this teacher who was a first-year teacher who decided to get a head start before her first year of teaching. I did this workshop the summer before my first year of teaching. I was terrified. My teacher training had given me curriculum planning, lesson design, all of that, but almost nothing on classroom management. The strategic classroom gave me a framework I could actually use on day one. I knew how to set up my routines, how to respond when things went off track, and how to build a classroom culture intentionally. My mentor teacher told me at the end of October that I was handling situations she had been derailed first year teachers for months. I generally don't think I would have made it through the first year without this training. Teacher training programs are incredible at preparing you to teach content, but very few of them prepare you for what actually happens in the classroom. This teacher went in ready, and it showed. So let's talk about the veteran teacher who thought he had tried everything. And this is what he said. I'll be honest, I signed up skeptical. I had been teaching high school for 14 years, and I thought, what is this workshop really going to tell me that I haven't already figured out? But I was burned out and desperate enough to try something new. What I didn't expect was to have so many, oh my gosh, that's what I've been doing wrong moments. The strategic classroom isn't about tips. It reframes the way you think about your students and your role. I came back from that first week and completely rebuilt my classroom agreements with my students. The shift in the energy was immediate. My students noticed. My coworkers noticed. I noticed. 14 years in, still growing. That's what this is about. The best teachers I know are the ones who are willing to look at their practice and ask, is there a better way? So here's the thread I see running through every single one of these stories. These teachers were not bad at their jobs. They were not failing. They were working incredibly hard and still feeling like they were falling short. And what the strategic classroom gave them wasn't more effort. It gave them a framework, a clear, repeatable system for building a classroom environment where learning can actually happen. That's the shift from reactive to proactive, from exhausted to in control, for surviving the day and actually enjoying your job again. Over 100 teachers have been through this program, and every single one of them came out the other side with something they did not have before: confidence. Confidence that they know what to do when things get off plan. Confidence that their classroom is a place their students want to be. Confidence that they can keep doing this job and love it. If you're interested in being part of the next cohort, visit the link or the QR code on this slide to enroll in the Strategic Classroom Workshop Series. It will truly change the way you look and deal with classroom management in your classroom. And if this video resonated with you, please share it. There is a teacher in your network right now who needs to hear this. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I post new content for teachers every week, and I don't want you to miss it out. I'll see you on the next one.